Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best pillows for back sleepers on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows. If you're hunting for a truly restful night's sleep, the Beckham Hotel Collection Bed Pillows are an excellent choice. Coming as a set of 2, these pillows for back sleepers feature 250 thread count covers and a soft, down alternative fill, ensuring exceptional comfort. Their breathability makes them a perfect fit for those prone to overheating, too, while the no-shift design guarantees consistent support no matter how you sleep. Produced in an Oeko-Tex standard certified facility, these pillows adhere to rigorous safety and environmental standards. What we like about it. Available in both queen and king sizes. Comes in a set of 2. Breathable cotton covers included. Filling helps you stay cool. What we don't like about it. Not supportive enough for some. Number 2. Zamet Memory Foam Pillow. Looking for a cervical pillow to ease neck pain while you sleep? Meet the Zamet Contour Memory Foam Pillow. This ergonomic gem features premium, odorless memory foam and comes with 2 removable inserts for a personalized sleep experience. Even better, its contoured design cradles your neck's natural curve, ensuring optimal spine alignment and preventing those dreaded aches and pains. The pillow's 360-degree rotation lets you adjust the loft from orthopedic to ordinary, meaning you can customize it to your preference. What we like about it. Available in 4 colors. Comfy, odorless memory foam pillow. Adjustable cushioning for individualized support. Comes with 2 removable, machine-washable covers. What we don't like about it. Memory foam may be too stiff. Number 3. DeadSure Pillows for Back Sleepers. Offering 3 firmness levels, from a firmer option to plush, marshmallow softness, the DeadSure Pillows for Back Sleepers' attention to detail ensures exceptional comfort and support. Because they've been crafted with meticulous care, these pillows boast extra filling and advanced craftsmanship, ensuring your comfort while maintaining essential support. This exceptional blend results in a lavish sleep experience that brings the luxury of a 5-star hotel stay to your own home. What we like about it. Multiple firmness options. Fluffy, breathable, and skin-friendly. Offers premium softness while providing exceptional support. Machine washable for easy maintenance. What we don't like about it. A firm option might be too soft. Number 4. Osteocervical Pillow. Introducing the Osteocervical Pillow, a game-changer for back sleepers seeking optimal comfort and relief from sleep-related discomfort. Crafted with a certified hollow design and odorless memory foam, this pillow's ergonomic shape cradles the head and neck, maintaining the natural cervical curve. This supports blood circulation, reduces pressure, and alleviates muscle tension. Additionally, the 3D mesh fiber pillowcase enhances breathability, making this pillow for back sleepers ideal for hot sleepers and allergy sufferers. What we like about it. Adjustable for customized comfort. A contoured design helps with proper alignment. The cooling case keeps you comfortable. What we don't like about it. The design takes time to get used to. Number 5. Unveil Memory Foam Pillow. Introducing the Unveil Memory Foam Pillow, the perfect solution for unparalleled neck support and muscle relaxation. Tailored for back sleepers like me, it boasts high-density memory foam that swiftly molds to my body and neck contours, delivering custom comfort in mere seconds. Plus, this pillow for the back sleeper's exterior cover showcases breathable fabric with mesh sides for a cooling effect, while the inner cover extends the memory foam core's longevity. Both covers are conveniently machine washable as well, adding to the pillow's practicality. What we like about it. Made of slow rebound memory foam. can fit into a regular pillowcase. What we don't like about it: may be too tall for some customers. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.